Every second that you spend is gonna pay off. It'll pay off in the end. It just takes a little patience. Takes a little time. Little perseverance. And a little uphill climb. You might not think it's worth it. You might begin to doubt, but you can't take any shortcuts. You gotta stick it out, and it's the hard way, but it's the right way. The right way to break in a glove. I don't know why I'm doing this. I have to get ready for a wedding, and I'm sitting here singing "To Break in a Glove," sung by Michael Park and Ben Platt from the musical Dear Evan Hansen. Well, that's it, folks. Goodbye.